Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Shine Bright Like a Diamond. I'm your host, Matt Worthington, aka Matt from Shine, and today we'll be finishing our discussion about search engine optimization and how it can help boost your online presence. And as always, before I go any further, I have to give credit where credit is due. A lot of this content came from dental websites, and I put the links to those websites in the bio below. So make sure to go check those links when you get the chance. Thanks. To recap, part 1 of this video series touched on the basics of search engine optimization. This video, part 2, will discuss reviews, tracking, and mobile friendliness. For those of you who haven't seen part 1, make sure to go back to my page and watch that video so you can get caught up before we dive into part 2. With that said, let's get into step 4, reviews. There are many places that you can get reviews like Yelp and medical sites such as healthgrades.com. However, instead of focusing on Yelp and Healthgrades, I recommend focusing your attention on Google. Getting positive reviews on your Google My Business page will help your website rank higher so that you get more exposure to new prospective patients. Plus, when prospective patients see all your positive reviews on Google, they'll be more likely to contact you. If you need help getting more Google reviews, send me a text. I'll give you the rundown how to do it, and I promise you'll get more patients to your practice. Step 5, tracking. 2 core metrics you'll want to track are rankings and traffic. Generally, keyword rankings are something you should track once to twice a month. Checking this will show how much your SEO efforts are truly boosting your online presence. This tracking allows you to implement more keywords to those pages that have low activity levels. The second metric you'll want to track is traffic. The best way to track traffic is with Google Analytics. You'll first need to install Google Analytics on every page of your website. Then, when you log into Google Analytics, you can see how much overall traffic you're getting. Additionally, you can see which pages of your website are receiving the most traffic and how much traffic you're getting from Google itself. And step 6, a mobile-friendly design. In addition to having a website that is visually attractive, your website needs to also be optimized for mobile devices. Mobile friendliness is a ranking factor Google uses, so it is crucial for search engine optimization. You can check where your mobile friendliness stands by using a mobile-friendly test tool. This test tool shows how Google search views your page based on its visibility and how easy it is to navigate. If you want more information on this test tool, shoot me a text. And there we go, 6 steps to improve your online presence using search engine optimization. Follow these steps to rank higher, generate more traffic, and attract new patients to your practice. If you want more tips, advice, or guidance regarding search engine optimization, visit henryshine1.com. Henry Shine 1 is a branch of Henry Shine that will help you improve the patient experience in and out of your practice. Also, don't forget to take the free marketing assessment to see where your online presence currently compares to the other dental practices in your area. These 2 links are in the bio below. If you have any questions at all, shoot me a text, send me an email, or give me a call. I've also included my Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn page. Make sure to give me a follow. I post content on there on a weekly basis to help my dentists, and you won't want to miss out. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude another episode of Shine Bright Like a Diamond. I'm your host, Matt from Shine, wishing you and yours a safe and healthy rest of your week. Keep on shining, and as always, don't forget to smile.